Hey everyone, welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. My name is Bola Shokunbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and I'm also the author of the book, Learn How Investing Works, Grow Your Money. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the 3-fund portfolio, which is a really great way to invest, whether you are a beginner investor or an experienced investor. It is a really great and simple way to invest your money. So your 3-fund portfolio can be set up through your brokerage account or in your retirement plans, and I'm going to explain exactly how it works. So let's get into it. So what is the 3-fund portfolio? Well, the 3-fund portfolio is an investing strategy that was made popular by Jack Bogle and the Boglehead Investing Group. And basically what it is a portfolio that consists of 3 fund types. And these 3 fund types include US stocks, US bonds, and international stocks. And keep in mind that a 3-fund portfolio can be set up where you are based on your country and your location. You would just have to pick the stocks for your country. And these US stocks, US bonds, and international funds are basically made up of low-cost ETFs or index funds. Why is the 3-fund portfolio so great? Well, by having just these 3 funds, you have very simple asset allocation, you have broad diversification, you have low cost, and as a result of the broad diversification, you also minimize potential risk. So when people understand what the 3-fund portfolio is, the next question I typically get asked is, how do I structure my 3-fund portfolio? You can structure your 3-fund portfolio based on your goals, your timeline, and your risk tolerance. And I'm going to share 3 examples, 3 ways in which you can set up a 3-fund portfolio for yourself. So you can structure your 3-fund portfolio as a 80-20 portfolio where you have 64% in US stocks, 16% in international stocks, and 20% in bonds. This is an aggressive portfolio. You can structure it as an equal portfolio where you have 33% in US stocks, 33% in international stocks, and 33% in bonds, and this is considered a moderate investing approach. Or you can structure it as a 20-80 portfolio where you have 14% in US stocks, 6% in international stocks, and 80% in bonds. And this is a conservative portfolio. Keep in mind that these are simply examples of how you can structure your 3-fund portfolio, and you want to make sure that you structure it in a way that makes sense for you and your risk tolerance. So what kind of funds can you include in your 3-fund portfolio? Well, here are some examples. So some examples of US index funds that you can research and include in your 3-fund portfolio include the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, and the Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund. When it comes to international funds, some great examples are the Vanguard Total International Index Fund, the Fidelity Zero International Index Fund, and the Schwab International Index Fund. And when it comes to US bond funds, some great examples are the Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund, the Fidelity US Bonds Index Fund, and the Schwab US Aggregate Bond Index Fund. If you are international, you'll just have to do some research to determine what the best funds are for your country. As always, when it comes to investing, and like I mentioned before, it's really, really important that you do your research to understand what you're investing in, you understand what your objectives are, you know your timeline, and you also know what your risk tolerance is. So I'd love to know, do you follow the 3-fund investing approach strategy? Is this something that interests you? How do you currently invest right now? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and if you have enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to this channel, and tell all your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance. Head on over to Instagram and follow us there as well at Clever Girl Finance. We have a great time engaging, and don't forget to stop by the Clever Girl Finance website where we have over 30+ completely free courses to help you as you work on improving your finances. Thank you for tuning in, and I will talk to you in the next video.